I hope all of you are keeping well, keeping safe at home. Now listen to me. We have finished quite some chapters in first term and we have already begun our second term hereafter. And a very important portion in your mathematics is algebra. Okay. The basics, of course, you might have touched it in class 6 last year regarding the monomials and the binomials, the single term, double term. Here we need to do addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now, whenever you were in smaller classes, it was very easy for you. If I ask you, say for example, what is 5 plus 3? You will say 5 plus 3 is 8. Here, the scenario was only a number was given to you. But in this chapter, what will happen? You will be asked to do the same. Addition as well as subtraction, but along with the numbers, certain English alphabets will be given to you. Okay, you can already see it in the board. I have already mentioned the name of the topic is for class 7 algebra, operations on algebraic expressions. Actually, operations are 4 operations of algebraic expressions are there: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But in your textbook, chapter number 11 of class 7 textbook, page number 120, I am doing it directly from exercise 11.3. The basics I have skipped out. Okay, exercise 11.3. I have skipped up page number 120. In this, what has happened? I will be teaching you how to do the addition and how to do the subtraction of an algebraic expression. The only difference is, in the second line there will be certain differences. Okay, we will follow very simple method, the traditional method. You remember when you were in primary classes how you used to do? If I asked you to add 5 plus 3, you used to write 5 on the top and 3 on the bottom and then add it. Similar way, very simple method, we are going to solve this exercise. Okay, so now without wasting, as we proceed on with the sum, I will give you more details about these things. Okay, so page number 120, exercise 11.3, question number 1. They have asked us to do add the following. Now here you will see add the following means 5a minus 9b. This is one single term. This has to be considered as one single term. This is one single term. And minus 16a plus 19b, this is considered as the other term. And these two numbers or these two terms are separated by a and. Okay, so what have I done? What have I done is simple. The first term 5a minus 9b, I wrote it on the top line, and minus 16a plus 9b, I wrote it in the second line. Now if you see, the only thing you have to keep it in mind is numbers will be okay, but the number or the alphabet associated with that number has to come on the same line. Like you see here, B, B, A has to come on the same line. Okay, now the rule of adding is no need to change any sign, no need to do anything. Here 5 does not have any symbol. When anything does not have symbol, it symbolizes plus symbol is there. So I'll just put a plus. Now the time to solve it. Solving it is not very difficult. Remember, addition or subtraction and the sign will be applicable or it will be applicable only to the numbers. Alphabet no need to touch at all. Alphabet you will write it as it is. Like B and B is written as B, A and A is written as A. It is in the same line, A, B, B, B. Now you have to solve the number. The first one is minus 9, second one is plus 19, and the question I am solving is about addition. Now what to do? See which number is bigger. See which number is bigger. Either 9 is bigger or 19 is bigger. Yes, 19 is bigger. So what is the symbol of 19? Plus. 19 has got what sign? Plus. So the bigger number sign you will put it here. Here also I have done the same thing. See both the numbers 16 and 5. 16 is bigger than 5 and 16 has got a minus sign. So I have put here minus. Is it clear? So till now what have we understood? We have understood B, B, The bigger number sign is put. Now after comparing the bigger number sign, 1 plus 1 minus, then you subtract it. Yeah, though it is addition, but here you have to subtract it because there are two numbers with different sign. If you had got two numbers with same sign, then you would have put the bigger number sign and you would have always added. But here you will have to subtract it. So 19 minus 9 is 10, 16 minus 5 is 11. The rest we had already solved it. In order to make it more clear, I have done one more sum. This was A, I have done D. In your book, it is given as minus 14a square plus 21b square plus 9ab. That is one single term. And after that, the next number was plus 33a square minus 25b square plus 1ab. Actually, only ab was given there. So when there is ab, that means there is a number 1. Now, first thing you have to arrange it in accordingly to the series of its alphabet. That means this B1AB I can write it here and 33A square I can write it here. The alphabets has to match it. Then what to do? AB is AB. B square is B square. A square is A square. After doing that, the first step is write the alphabets. After doing that, compare the numbers, both the number and put the greater number sign. 9 and 1, here there is no confusion. Both the numbers are plus. Greater number is plus, so I put plus. And now you see, here what had happened? Since we had two numbers with different sign, we had subtracted here. But here you will not do it. Here this is plus, both are plus, so you will add it. 9 plus 1 is 10. Similarly, here is plus 21 minus 25. 25 is bigger than 21, so I have taken the symbol of 25 as minus. Now since there are two numbers with different sign, I will subtract it. So 25 minus 21 is 4. Similarly, a square is a square. 33 is a greater number than 14. So 33 symbol is plus, so I put a plus here. But again, if you see there are two numbers with different symbol, whenever we have got two numbers with different symbol, what are you going to do? You are going to subtract it. So 33 minus 14 is 19. This is the solution. This is the solution of D. You will do question number 1, B and C yourself. A PDF of course will be sent it to you after 1 or 2 days. Okay, please try it yourself and compare it from the back page. This is all about addition. Now subtraction and addition, there is only one difference. Now you can see question number 2, subtract the following. Here they have written and here they have given commas. So 7b plus 16 is one single number, comma 52c minus 12b is the second number or the second term. Okay, so 7b plus 16 I have written it on the top line. 7 does not have any symbol, so by default my plus symbol is there with 7. Now 52c, now you remember I can't write 52c here, though it is in the question, it is given in the beginning. As I told you, the sequence of alphabet has to come vertically equally. So here 52c, here there is c, so I have written 52c. 52 also does not have any symbol, so I have put a plus symbol here. And minus 12b I have taken in front, so that my b and b it comes in the same line. Minus 12b. But now there is a twist. Arranging part is over, but after you arrange, you know what is to be done. If you just solve it, that is addition. But one additional thing you have to do is there. The lower limit, this is the upper limit or the upper case. This is the lower limit or the lower case. Lower case or the lower limits, numbers, symbol has to be changed. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Yes. So this was plus, so I have made it into minus. So now it is no more considered as plus, it will be considered as minus. This was minus, I have written it as plus. So now no more it is 12b plus minus 12b, now it will be read as plus 12b. Then the rest is the same that you did it out here. Just see here. C and C is C. Then what to do? 1 is plus, 1 is minus. It's not plus anymore. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So definitely I will subtract. and I put the bigger number sign. 52 is bigger than 16 and 52 symbol is minus. So minus has come out here. 52 minus 16 is 36. Then B and B is B. This is plus, this is also plus. So when both are plus plus, I will just put plus and add it. So 12 plus 7 is 19. This is the solution of question number 2A of subtraction. Similarly, you can see a bigger sum. I have done it out here. Just have a look out here. In this question, there were certain twists. In your book, question number 2D was given in jumbled way. But what I have done it, the upper limit I have written it in the upper line, the lower limit I have written in the lower line, but A, B, C, A, B, C, that is what is it? The alphabetical arrangement are there vertically on the same line. And similarly, what is done? The lower limit sign is changed. Minus has become plus, this plus has become minus, and this plus has become minus, and this sum is solved. You can see it out here. So addition and subtraction of algebraic expression has to be done in this way. It is a very small chapter and simple chapter, but why I have done it is because algebra is a very big portion in your years to come. In class 8, 9 and 10, there will be a lot of algebra and you have to do it every time. So it is somewhere we begin and we do it. Okay, I have just taken this exercise because due to this pandemic, we know many of our classes are getting disturbed. I want to give you exactly whatever is needed so that you can do better in your next year. Okay, so you can try for this also, for subtraction also you can try for question number 2, B and C yourself. Question number 1 also B and C yourself and tally the answer from the back page. Of course, I am always there to generate the PDF and then to send you the solved one. Then question number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are word problems which are nothing new, which are also on the basis of this addition and subtraction. That we will do it next day and then we shall wind up this algebraic portion. Okay, don't worry, everything is fine, everything will be good. Just focus on this portion and you can do it yourself. Till then, thank you, take care children, bye bye.